Shani here from University TV. Welcome to Wagner College. It was ranked #1 up-and-coming college in the Northeast by U.S. News & World Report. I can see why.
Wagner College is located in the Grimes Hill neighborhood, New York City's borough of Staten Island, New York. Take advantage of the city that never sleeps. Manhattan is just a 25-minute ride away on the free Staten Island Ferry.
The 105-acre campus is tree-lined and sits on a hilltop that overlooks Manhattan, New York Harbor, and the Atlantic Ocean.
We're so close to New York, to Manhattan itself. Students are able to quickly access Manhattan. It's just, we have a free van service that drives them down to the ferry. Jump on the ferry, it's free. Within an hour, you can be in Midtown Manhattan, and you've got capital of the world available to you.
There are 1,850 undergraduates and 300 graduate students attending Wagner College. To break it down even further, the student body is 60% women, 40% men, coming from 42 states and 19 countries.
This is a diverse community that is composed by different ethnic groups, and all of these ethnic groups bring something very rich to the learning experience.
While Wagner is selective, it does not require minimum SAT, ACT, or GPA scores.
Wagner this past year went test optional, which means for students who feel that their test scores, SAT or ACT scores, are not a good indication of their academic ability, they don't necessarily have to submit those test scores to us in the admissions process. We don't require anything in additional instead of those SAT scores or ACT scores. We do strongly recommend, however, that they come in for an interview.
Wagner was featured in the December 2010 issue of Kiplinger's Personal Finance as one of the top 100 best values in private universities. With that being said, the tuition is around $35,000 and room and board costs around $10,000. 85% of students receive a piece of the $9 million of financial aid awarded annually to undergrads. Wagner College offers about 55 different majors, concentrations, and minors. The most common are biological sciences, business, education, and psychology. Wagner has a plan for you. It's called the Wagner Plan. Students are taught to understand the connections between classroom theory and real-world practice through learning communities, interdisciplinary courses, and experiential learning.
The advantage of the learning community is students get to experience a subject, maybe a difficult subject, in an environment where it's made very relevant to them, it's connected to the community, it's connected to real life. So these difficult subjects that people may not have liked in high school become accessible, understandable, and students become very engaged in the material.
Each student completes 30 hours of field-based work during their first semester as part of the first-year learning community. By senior year, you must complete an experiential learning project of at least 100 hours over the course of a semester. Most students choose to do a full-scale internship.
The education I'm getting here at Wagner completely prepares me for where I'm going to go. I want to be a teacher, and I can walk into a classroom right now and teach, and I am.
Wagner's theater program has been ranked by the Princeton Review as one of the top 5 best college theater programs in the nation numerous years in a row.
We have a great theater department, so there are a lot of shows always going on. A lot of your friends are always putting on their own shows and things like that. Also, Girl Talk was just here last weekend. Every year we have Wagner Stock and Songfest, so there are always huge activities going on campus where everyone on campus gets together and celebrates being part of Wagner.
With 100 full-time faculty members, a majority have earned the highest degree in their field, 95% to be exact. 13:1 is the student-to-faculty ratio, and all classes are capped at 30 students.
One of the things I love most about Wagner is that the classrooms are very small. There's about 8 students in my senior level economics classes, which is exactly what I wanted. I feel that one-on-one interaction with professors is exactly what I need for my future studies.
For a small school, those Seahawks sure do pack a punch. The 18 athletic teams compete as members of the NCAA Division I in the Northeast Conference. They are Smarties too, having the 15th best graduation rate among the over 300 Division I colleges. This former Seahawk turned Oakland A is professional baseball player Andrew Bailey. He was named Rookie of the Year in the American League during the 2009 season, plus he was a 2009 and 2010 All-Star.
There are 4 residence halls on campus and housing is guaranteed all 4 years, so don't miss hanging out with your friends 24/7. 85% of students live on campus.
On campus, there's always something going on. The other night, I was watching a movie in our coffee house, having a little milkshake and watching Ponyo to celebrate Earth Day. And the day before that, I was at a pool party in the Spiro Sports Center.
Through the offices of the Dean of Campus Life, co-curricular programs, and residential education, over 60 different clubs and organizations are easily accessible as well as events.
Wagner Stock is a big, huge concert that we have every single year, and we're actually standing on the Oval, and they have activities here on the Oval all day long.
There's always something going on. There's music, there's DJs, there's free food, free t-shirts, everywhere.
Popular TV shows like Law & Order SVU, The Sopranos, HBO's You Don't Know Jack, and the movie School of Rock starring Jack Black are just some of the many productions that have been shot on Wagner's campus. It's time to make a choice. Reasonable cost, innovative academics, and competitive sports. Set the stage for success at Wagner College to reach all-star status.
Come and see us. See our campus in New York City that doesn't necessarily look like a city campus, but definitely visit.
Thanks so much for joining us here in Staten Island, New York City. We hope you enjoyed your tour of Wagner College. For University TV, I'm Shayna Jean, and I'll see you guys real soon.